Kabisa.
I have follow-up questions, and I want to be more specific on Section 44 of the Elections Act. But first, because you're answering that, I'll go to 44A. I want you to explain to me, before I go to the chairman, 44A, what complementary system means, because the law says this. Notwithstanding the provision of the two sections 39 and 44, the Commission shall put in place a complementary mechanism for identification of voters and the transmission of elections. Let's talk about identification of the voters. How can technology, how can the same system that we're talking about be complementary in that it's a Iebc? So I can't use my thumb or my finger, but you want to make it look like my ID with the same technology is complementary. Could this section also have meant that a complementary system could be this manual register and not necessarily part of that technology that we are saying? It's the Iebc, it's the technology, it's everything, but let's get something aside from this. So aside from this, could it not be that this section contemplated the register, the book?
Maybe, but I think the chairman has explained that there's a court ruling. There was a civil appeal number 258, whereby and in that ruling, actually, it set aside the sections of the law you're talking about, and actually, it affirmed the procedures we actually explained in the memo that was provided then. So, to that extent, we want to associate ourselves with that procedure. When you talk about biometric versus biographic, the default method when you go to the polling sessions is for you to use biometric, because biometrics are actually unique. You know, even an ID you can actually share with somebody else. Do you know that?
A number.
Yes, and therefore the default that is actually unique completely is your biometric.
Okay.
But in case it fails, because we have also captured your picture, we have your details, when you actually enter your ID, you can be able to retrieve the information. We'll see your actually photo.